back to my channel. It is like mid to late September. On my way home today from work, the leaves were just flooding down from the trees on my way home over my car, and it was just so glorious because I was like, the signs that fall is truly here. We are going to do a fall bedroom refresh. Before we get into the refresh, I wanted to show you guys the sheets and the bedding that I got. And so if you're looking for some new bedding, here's where I got mine. Really cute fall sheets from TJ Maxx, and these just have very like neutral fall tones, the reds, the burgundy oranges. Just really cute, not too bright of an orange, and it has the leaves and then the cute little mushrooms. I love the mushroom theme slash vibe when it comes to fall. I just think it's so cute and cozy, and it's very whimsical, and I love it. And so I got these sheets. They were only 20 bucks from TJ Maxx, and they're really like cozy. And so I got those sheets for fall for our bedroom. And then for our actual bedding, I got this gauze quilted comforter, and so this is just gonna be so cozy. It feels just like that linen gauze, so it's just gonna be so warm and inviting. I've moved around a couple things just to kind of give it a little new feeling in the house, and so yeah, but let's get to refreshing. Rumi loves to get in the bed as soon as I'm starting to make it, and it's just so funny, but she's gonna have to move. Been a couple days since I refreshed the bedroom, but the bedding worked out great. The comforter is very cozy, but I thought that today we would do a little fall craft, and this is something that I found on Pinterest. Super easy, super cost effective, literally costs like maybe $10. But also, before we get into the fall craft that I want to do, I wanted to share with you guys this flannel that I got, and I am wearing an 2X for a very cozy and oversized fit because I just love that type of style and fit. But this green flannel, believe it or not, is from Walmart. And I went to Walmart today because I had to get, dishwasher pods, all the things, toilet paper, that stuff. But I was literally getting ready to check out, and I saw these, and I was like, oh my goodness, this is so cute. And it's very like comfy too. Like the material is very soft and just cozy. But it was $14. So if you guys are looking for a cute little flannel and you're having a hard time finding one that's cute and affordable, go to Walmart. And what I love about this one is it's longer in the back and shorter in the front, so you can wear it with leggings. I have on, this is what I have on with it. I just have on some like baggier, like cozy pants. But yeah, if you are looking for a flannel, I just thought that I would share where I got mine. But today we are going to do a little fall craft. I bought some taper candles from Walmart, and I already had paint, so literally this craft is gonna cost me probably $3 total. And I love fall because there's just so many fun things that we can do with it. But the reason that I love this craft as well is because I'm gonna be able to use this craft. Not only is it time spent doing like a hobby and something creative, but it's also going to be a way where I can use this as decorating. And so today we're going to paint some fall inspired candles, taper candles. And so I'm so excited to do that because Sunday I'm having our fall supper club dinner at my sister-in-law Kaylin's house. And I'm actually gonna bring some candles and we're gonna paint there as well. But I thought that I would try it out at home first to see if it was gonna be hard, how much time it was gonna take and all that. But anyways, so if you're looking for a fun little craft idea, there you go. So let's go paint. This is my setup. I have 2 white candles, just because the paint I feel like will show up best. And then these are some antique candle holders that I'm gonna put it in. This one's my favorite just because I love the gold on it and it's just so cute and cozy. Then I have this one, it's more of like an antique gold. And then I have a clear one and a white one. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna use these 2, but I definitely am gonna use these 2 just because I feel like this gives more fall vibes. But this is all the paint that I have. So literally going to be using some oranges. So here's some oranges. I got some darker reds, which is the color this year. And then we have this type of yellow, which is really fallish, and then some greens. So lots of fall colors in this basket. So I'm so excited to start painting.